Remember Acapulco. It's a song of love, a song to life, to the land, all of it of Guerrero. A song to Acapulco, to the tropical breezes, to exuberant palm trees silhouetted against a sky that is more than blue, to the world-famous beaches that are never forgotten, to the smiles of its women and the cordial friendship of its men, to the doorway to the state where legends are interwoven with strands of pure silver born in the fabulous mines of Tasco. Yes, a song even to the golden sands of Ixtapas y Guataneco. The state of Guerrero is history, mountains, coasts, legends, cities that take their names from our pre-Hispanic roots and convert them into poetry. To speak of Guerrero is to speak of history, legend, poetry. We find it in the verses of our poets and in the music that springs from the soul. ¡Vámonos para Guerrero!